Welcome back, and thank you for being here. Today, we're diving into a powerful strategy that allows you to create engaging content with minimal effort using a simple copy and paste method. This approach taps into trending topics and viral videos, which are already proven to capture massive audiences online. Trending content spreads quickly because it aligns with what people are actively searching for. Channels like Viral now have leveraged this strategy to gain hundreds of thousands of subscribers and generate significant revenue. A faceless channel like Brightside, which produces educational animated videos, makes anywhere from $72,000 to $216,000 per month. These numbers highlight the potential of this strategy, and today, we're going to break it down step by step. The first step is sourcing content. Start by identifying viral videos on YouTube. You can use a simple ChatGPT prompt to generate a list of successful faceless YouTube channels across different niches. Educational content is a great choice because it tends to have higher ad revenue. Channels like TED-Ed, which focus on topics like science, history, and philosophy, have millions of subscribers and make thousands of dollars per day. Once you've chosen a popular channel, navigate to the Videos tab, select Popular, and look for a video with at least 1 million views. Copy the link to the video, as this will be the foundation of your content. In addition to YouTube, Google News is another valuable resource for trending topics. Simply search for Google News, browse through categories like business, technology, or sports, and select an article that is currently gaining attention. Copy the article's URL, as this will serve as another source for content creation. Now that you have your sources, it's time to transform these links into professional videos. This is where InVideo AI comes in. By pasting the YouTube video or news article link into InVideo AI, you can generate an original, engaging animated video within minutes. For a YouTube video, enter the command, create a 2-minute animated video for YouTube using this YouTube video link, followed by the copied link. InVideo AI will analyze the content and produce a new, unique video with professional visuals and voiceovers. The result is a high-quality video that retains the essence of the original but is entirely your own. If you're using a Google News article, modify the command to create a 2-minute video for YouTube using this blog link, followed by the article's URL. When prompted, choose the best options for your content, such as stock media or generative media. In just a few clicks, you'll have a well-crafted video covering a trending topic, optimized for maximum engagement. Once your video is generated, you have full control to make edits. You can change the voiceover, background music, or visuals to better match your style. If you prefer, you can even clone your own voice so that the videos sound more personalized without needing to record anything manually. After finalizing your video, download it and prepare to upload it to YouTube. To maximize your reach, consistency is key. If you're focusing on trending news, aim to upload 1 to 3 short videos per day, ensuring your channel stays current and relevant. If you prefer animated educational videos, posting 1 to 3 times per week with slightly longer videos, around 5 to 7 minutes, is a great approach. Building a successful channel takes time, and while some videos may go viral immediately, others may take months to gain traction. The key is persistence. Many top YouTube creators have been posting consistently for years before seeing massive results. However, once your channel starts generating revenue, the passive income potential is substantial. YouTube, pays creators for every 1,000 views, and as your videos accumulate views over time, your earnings can grow significantly. This simple copy and paste method is an opportunity to build a sustainable online business. With tools like InVideo AI, the process of video creation is easier than ever, making it accessible even for beginners. Whether your goal is an extra $100 per day or reaching full-time income, the only thing standing in the way is taking action. Start today, stay consistent, and turn your content into